Wes Lee Sting Wolfpac and Roman Reigns WrestleMania 42 attire. This is where WWE 2K26 modding really starts. In this video, I'll show you how to add brand new superstars and create alternate attires step by step using dotDiscovery's meta editor. Hey there, good day to all of you. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to add Wes Lee and Sting character mods into the game, and also how to add alternate attires. Quick note, I won't be covering entrances in this video. I'll be making a separate tutorial for entrance motions and setting up GFX mods, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my modding tutorials. Let's get into it. First, make sure you already have all the necessary files and dotDiscovery's meta editor installed. There is already a hotfix available for both the tool and the hook plugin, so make sure to download and replace those files first. If this is your first time watching, I have a full setup tutorial available. But if you're already set up, let's continue. Now, go to Discovery's website and download the Wes Lee character mod by Tam. Save it to your desktop. Next, we also have a new character mod by Grix, Sting Wolfpac. If you're a patron, you can find this in Discovery's Discord download section. Download it and save it to your desktop. Finally, download the WrestleMania 42 attire for Roman Reigns by Jeb Us Crisps and save that to your desktop as well. Download the Sting Wolfpac render by Wavemaster Flex and save it to your desktop. Next, head over to the Pro Wrestling Mods Discord, go to the Renders channel, and find the Roman Reigns WrestleMania 42 render by user 2027. Download it and save it to your desktop as well. We'll be using these later. Once everything is ready, let's organize the files. Open the Wes Lee zip file. Inside, you'll see several folders. Drag and drop the contents into your discovery_characters_1 folder. Now go to the render folder. Create a new folder called renders inside discovery_UI_1 and move all render files into that folder. Next, locate the JSON profile file. This will be used inside Meta Editor, so drag it to your desktop. Since Renders folder is still open, drag these two renders inside of it. Now open the Roman Reigns WrestleMania 42 zip file and drag its contents into discovery_characters_1. Do the same for the Sting Wolfpac and place it inside discovery_characters_1. Now that everything is in place, let's open Meta Editor. Open the Character Manager tab. For this example, we'll start with Wes Lee. Sting Wolfpac and Roman Reigns WrestleMania 42 attire without breaking your existing character setup. Click Edit. Inside this window, go to the Data tab. Rename Vacant to Original Attire. For this example, we'll start with Wes Lee. By default, his slot is set as Personnel, which means he won't appear in-game. Right-click the slot, go to Import, and select Full Profile. Choose the JSON file from your desktop. When prompted, click Yes on the first option and No on the rest. Later in the video, I'll show you how to properly add Roman Reigns' WrestleMania 42 attire without breaking your existing character setup. Click Edit. Inside this window, go to the Data tab. Rename Vacant to Original Attire. Click Change and assign the correct render file. Now go to the Attires tab. Click Select Attire folder and choose the correct folder for Wes Lee. This will automatically assign all the necessary paths. For adding new superstars, never use restricted slots, as this may cause crashes or missing characters. Click New Slot. Read the warning carefully. Choose an available ID. In this example, we'll use 115. Click Add. Now let's set up Sting. Since there's no profile available yet, we'll manually input the name. Click Edit, then update the name fields.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Assign the render file. Then go to the Attire tab. Click Select Attire folder. And make sure the folder name matches your slot number. Rename the folder accordingly, then select it. Always hit save after making changes. Now for Roman Reigns' alternate attire, find his slot and click Edit. Click Add to create a new attire slot. Rename it to WrestleMania 42. Assign the render file. Now go to the Attire tab. If the mod doesn't include full files, do not use auto-assign. Like for this Jeebus Crisps Reigns attire, it only has the texture files. Full character mods should have an MCD, MTLS, YCL, and a base model folder. Instead, copy the default paths from the original attire and only change the attire folder path. Save everything, then close Character Manager. Now, let's bake everything. Click Bake. Since we already baked data before, we'll rebake it. Click Add Bake Entry, name it Characters, Then select discovery_characters_1. Bake it. Do the same for your renders folder. And now, let's test everything in-game. Go to Roster, then Edit Superstars. If everything is done correctly, all mods should appear. Make a quick change by changing an attribute to any superstar and save. Now, let's test Wes Lee and Sting.
Here we go with The Rock kicking this one off.
By the way, I apologize for The Rock commentary. A restored commentary patch or fix should be available soon on the Discovery Discord. Keep an eye out for updates.
Turns that in his.
And finally, Roman Reigns with his WrestleMania 42 attire.
The table, Roman Reigns.
It is an experience every single time Roman Reigns walks down the aisle. There's aura, and then there's this aura.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the OTC Roman Reigns!
And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something about character mod installation using Meta Editor. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.